Hello Valparaiso, I'm meteorologist Alex Krull here with your Tuesday Storm Shield weather update. I hope you were able to enjoy some of the warmer temperatures that we experienced last week, even with some of the flooding that we experienced on campus, because the cold is making its return to the area. With this cold, we could possibly be seeing some snow flurries throughout this week. The good news is at this point, we're not expecting any significant accumulations to occur. As we head off into our spring break, we are looking for it to be a cool start, but hopefully by the end of it and during the second week, it will warm up a little bit here in northwest Indiana. So here's a look at what's going around the nation right now. This is the low pressure system that caused us to experience some snow flurries last night. Luckily, that has moved to the east, and behind it though is this high pressure system that's helping to bring in some of the cooler air from the north and is the reason why the temperatures have dropped significantly going into today, and especially going into Wednesday when we're going to drop into the lower teens. As this high pressure continues to move off to the east, we're watching the system down to our southwest. This is expected to move into the area on Friday. When this comes in is when we're looking at the chance for some snow flurries in the northwest Indiana area. But once again, though, the snow is not going to be any significant accumulation, so hopefully the rest of that snowpack will be able to melt by the time when we return from our spring break. Here's a look at the temperature spread across the region right now. Starting this morning off at 17 degrees here in Valparaiso. As we go into the afternoon, it will warm up just a little bit, right around 20 degrees for our high temperature. But we can see just to our north, much cooler. Minneapolis at -3 degrees, International Falls 6 below zero. This is what's going to be moving into our area on Wednesday, and we can see this indicated here on the model, starting off at 3 below on Wednesday morning and only going up to a high temperature of around 8 degrees for our Wednesday afternoon high. But we are going to be experiencing mostly clear skies with this. As we can see here on our Futurecast radar, some cloud cover across the area, but not too much. As we put this into motion on Tuesday, indicating a few showers right in here. I'm not expecting anything to occur in the Valparaiso area or back towards Chicago. As we continue to put this into motion, we can see that's going to clear off. Most of the cloud covers will move off to our east, and it's going to pretty much stay this way as we go into our Wednesday afternoon and early evening hours. For today, though, high temperature of 22 degrees, partly sunny skies. The winds will be kind of a story for us, coming out of the west-northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Could possibly even see some gusts up to 25. For tonight, though, the temperatures are going to drop very significantly. An overnight low of 1 degrees. Cloud cover will start to build in after midnight, and the wind still coming in pretty breezy through the area, west-northwest at 15 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we can see the start of the cool down with a high temperature of only 10 degrees. Mostly sunny skies, though, again, the influence of that high pressure system. Wind southwest at 15 miles per hour, but once again, seeing some gusts right around 25 miles per hour. So with that, we now have your 5-day forecast. On Thursday, the cloud cover will start to build in again with a high temperature of 12 degrees, an overnight low of -1. Friday, when that system moves in, we are looking at the chance for some flurries, but no accumulating snow. High temperature of 18 degrees. Saturday, we will see a brief break from the snow showers with a high temperature of 16 degrees. But then on Sunday, looking at the chance for some snow showers again, high temperature of 19 degrees. So I know not exactly how we wanted to start off our spring break, but at least it's not going to be as cold as it was back in January and early February. Temperatures for most of spring break should be staying in the positive range. I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Alex Krull. Have a great day.